Hello, my name is Julian Zulfikar and my partner is Simon Cow, and together we have developed SwipeCS. So the goal of SwipeCS is to introduce alternative interactions with gestures into the web reg or schedules of classes website. We designed our app for the type of user who is a lazy CS major and aiming to use their mouse and keyboard as little as possible. Perhaps they're sitting on the couch using SwipeCS on their TV. Thus, we designed the app with this in mind, where the user technically only needs to allow access to the camera, and the rest of it is purely gesture controlled. The two custom gestures we created are an extension of the open hand gesture. We created a face detection to implement open hand right of face and open hand left of face. The design rationale behind these is to mimic a familiar Tinder type UI where the user swipes right or left, making the main functionality easy to control as long as their face is in view. Other options we have are closed hand to undo last swipe and promote error prevention, hand pointing to not recommend the class ever again, two open hands to open the class details, two closed hands to close the class details, and a hand pinching to restart the entire schedule. Without further ado, let's hop into the functionality of SwipeCS. So say I want to add this class. I would simply hold my right hand up. Say I don't want to add this class. I would ignore it. And once we go through all of this informatics, ICS, and CS classes, that class would pop up again. In case I want to undo that, I hold up a closed hand. Perhaps I want to learn more about this class. I'll hold up 2 for the details, and 2 closed hands to close it. Turns out I really don't want this. I'll do a point to never recommend it again. That's pretty much all there is to it. If I want to completely restart my entire schedule, I'll just pinch my hand. To display up-to-date information about the Winter 24 courses, we're using the Peter Portal API, which is student-ran, to display the instructor as well as the lecture times. To ensure that we load the classes as efficiently as possible, we are using a previously built index which stores all of the courses inside of a JSON index. This JSON index was previously made in a personal project entitled Slot Planner, and that's all there is to it. Take care.